In this video, I'm going to teach you how to edit markups in Bluebeam. To do that, you first need to head over to bluebeam.com and click on the This Get Started option in order to sign up for an account. Once you have it, you can actually just access it directly. You can also click on the Destroy It Free to get 14 days of free trial. Now, you can also have the option to buy the software directly from here. Now, log in if you already have access and log into your Bluebeam. I've already installed the application, so here is what it looks like. Now, to edit the markups, you just need to select the markup directly. So I have right here this particular markup. So just select right here this markup by clicking onto the select tool and clicking on this right here in order to select it. Once it's been selected, you can just drag the markup to reposition it or move it around however you want. You can also resize it by dragging it above and below in order to make this bigger or smaller however you want. To open its properties, right-click on it and click on this properties option. This should open right here this one. You can change the color of this markup to edit it directly and also make some changes according to your liking like opacity, line width, layout, as well as setting it on default options. So here we have this right there. You can also right click on selected markup to copy and paste it. You also have the option to format it, multiply, lock, hide, add a legend, as well as add this directly to your tool chest. You can also order it or add some layers that's applicable into this part as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out with everything you need. Thank you so much for watching.